all I wanted to do was stand up on a surfboard, and I did that first day. Food is great. Everybody that works here is great. Atmosphere is good, and the vibe is highly recommended.
I got to improve. I took some long waves, able to turn. It was really, really nice.
Was definitely more than what I expected. Surf was awesome. The people were fantastic. Food was excellent.
Jan spoils us like crazy with all the food. I don't know how we can surf afterwards. But yeah, highly recommend it. There's no excuse not to come.
Me being able to not be afraid of the water is probably the best.
The team is great, food is amazing, we had a great time.